Hi guys, my name is Mariam. Uh, I want to tell you that I was so broken and I was in a relationship for 3 years. I wanted to share deeply and personally that I really lived a happy 3 year relationship with my boyfriend until one day he just changed himself. A new woman entered his office and suddenly he became very distant. Then we fought over silly things just for no reason. Each and every anything he just starts fighting with me and all. I don't know what happened. He told me that he doesn't want to be with me. Then he blocked me everywhere all of a sudden, and I really felt helpless. I tried with so many astrologers, then I tried with African physics and all that, and all these fake astrologers really took my money and nothing worked. I was literally about in a suicide position. Then I heard a woman shared her story about Sheikh Khalilji. I thought, let me try for a last time. And then I found to call him. And Khalilji, he just listened to my pain. Really, he had really listened to my pain. He took time. He understood my problem. Then he told me that he will try to do his best. Also, he told me that real result come when you follow the process with faith. With faith, no false promises, and he was very honest. He guided me through each step, and then exactly after 5 weeks later, my ex called. He apologized and he called himself. He cried, and then he was like he wanted to make things right. Fast forward 2 years, we are now married. Yes, we are now happily married and we are living a really good life. I would love to say Sheikh Khalilji has solved all my problems. He has removed all the negativities from my life, and he has really helped me come out of all my problems, and he has made my life really happy. So I would suggest you, if anybody has any love issues or problem or health issues, you have to connect to Sheikh Khalilji, and he will definitely, first of all, he will hear all your problems and he will give you best remedy. And he is not like other astrologers who will just ask for money or anything. He would even give you just normal Islamic remedies and everything, and make sure that your problems are solved within the days he say, and you will get the best result.